The magnificence of wisdom overwhelms us, while the threshold of education invites us within, and brilliance surging through our veins stops and stares at the enormity of learning. This is what we feel. This is what you have felt. You stumbled through the endless corridors. You stuttered through the torturous exams and marveled at the infinite knowledge. But it is through your mistakes that we learn, and it is through your experience that we yearn for strength, courage, and wisdom. The future is but a manifestation of the past, and our future is your past. You led us so we may lead. You inspired us so we may inspire to experience victory in defeat, to learn, to build, to grow, and to dream. Your presence was the skeleton of our success. For you were a guide, a leader, but more importantly, a friend. You gave us hope, passion, and power. And that is the indelible mark you have left upon our character. We can never forget you. We wish we didn't have to let you go. But it is unjust to deprive the world of a force so powerful and a person so great. We will miss you deeply, and your absence will make us feel like we have lost a piece of our very being. But today we do not say goodbye. We do not say farewell. We simply wish you success in all your endeavors and say, until we meet again.
One word for Anil Sharma would be enigmatic for me.
Jackass. Amazing. Dhasu.
Superb.
Fantastic.
Jackass.
He is best.
Jagira.
Excellent leader.
Classy.
Tiger.
Rockstar.
I used to normally call him Amir Khan because he is a perfectionist in everything.
ACP Pradyumna, CID.
Bomani Rani. Amir Khan.
He himself is a star.
Paresh Rawal.
Nasiruddin sir.
Sanjeev Kumar.
Jagira.
Favorite actress would be Deepika Padukone.
Juhi Chawla.
Katrina Kaif because he plays Kamli Kamli so many times.
Katrina Kaif. Deepika Padukone. Angelina Jolie. एक तो डेफिनेटली नहीं हो सकती.
Kareena Kapoor.
Then first of all, it is very difficult to know whether he's angry or not. So the time you discover that he's angry, you're going to get a good dose from him. Big time dose that will cover the entire 1 month of stock.
He would take my complete name, Mr. Sumik Roy, and then followed by beep beep beep.
साले तुमसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला, लाख समझाओ.
कह नहीं सकता सर.
कहाँ है तू?
बोलते हैं कि कहाँ पे तू कुछ काम करेगा कि नहीं.
काम कर लो.
क्या हो रहा है भाई, कैसे होगा? गाली देते हैं और क्या करते हैं?
घुस जाते.
Generally not angry, but even when he is angry, he'll say, पता नहीं यार तुम लोग का समझ नहीं आता मुझे.
He will go and sit quietly.
If I had to describe Anil sir as Marcom head, he would be the god of patience and the best guru I could have asked for.
Superb. Great.
Wonderful.
Perfect.
Fantastic.
Superb.
He is best.
Guru.
As a Marcom head, he is a tiger that on target, work in a team and focused.
He would have replaced Sanjay Leela Bhansali, I think.
When Anil sir is happy, he generally comes to Sumik's desk and then he starts asking questions about all the projects.
अरे यार वो निकाल अपना यार, इलायची निकाल यार.
भाई पार्टी कहाँ हो रही है?
गाना गाते हैं.
3 पत्ती.
I think he would obviously choose his favorite destination, which is Rishikesh.
None other than Rishikesh.
Obviously Rishikesh.
Of course, Rishikesh.
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 ऋषिकेश
Camp G5, Rishikesh.
All time Rishikesh.
Market visits में
बंटिंग एंड सेल्फ स्टिप अपने हाथ से दुकान के काउंटर पे प्लेस करना.
Juice.
भुट्टा, गन्ने का रस, बिरयानी.
सी कैटेगरी आउटलेट
fire merchandisers. I think वैसे तो Anil sir is the best Marcom head you can ask for, but if he was not the Marcom head, then he would be
CS head और HR head.
Ad filmmaker. Good businessman.
HR head. He would be best in all forms. So, be it HR head, CS head, Marcom head, marketing head. So, he is a true guru, a true mentor.
As a Markham head, Anil sir was very responsible, sincere and hard-working person.
4 years back, we came from Delhi to Lucknow. We got good company over here. Our society is very nice. And moreover, we have some relations here. This was another opportunity to meet our relatives here over here. This place is good to visit. So first we were reluctant to come over here, but my daughter-in-law, she says, no, we'll live together. Wherever we go, we will go together. So on her insistence, we also choose to come over here.
Whenever he's at home, he always tries to help me and kids. I enjoyed our stay in Lucknow. I will miss the safety tips and the parties of Vodafone. I just want to tell him that I am always with him.
Papa's very good. He always lets me take my own way. I always get my own way when Papa's round, and whatever demand is there, Papa fulfills it. Yes, he fulfills. And I always wanted a pet for myself. Well, nobody let me get one, but when I asked Papa for it, after doing enough of research work, Papa told me you'll be comfortable and you need to take care of it. So when I agreed to that, he got me a pet, and now I'm very happy with it and I love him a lot.
हो रही तेरे दिल के दर पे मेरे, तू यहीं है कहीं ना कहीं आटे. हो रही तेरे दिल के दर पे मेरे, तू यहीं है कहीं. कभी मेरे ख्वाब सा, कभी उठे जवाब सा, के चंदा में भी दाग सा, मेरे जैसा तू. के दरिया का एक सिरा, के अरमानों का सिलसिला, के सहरा में भी आब सा, मेरे जैसा तू, मेरे जैसा तू. हो रही तेरे दिल के दर पे मेरे, तू यहीं है कहीं ना कहीं आटे. हो रही तेरे दिल के दर पे मेरे, तू यहीं है कहीं. कभी मेरे ख्वाब सा, कभी उठे जवाब सा, के चंदा में भी दाग सा, मेरे जैसा तू. के दरिया का एक सिरा, के अरमानों का सिलसिला, के सहरा में भी आब सा, मेरे जैसा तू, मेरे जैसा तू. हो रही तेरे दिल के दर पे मेरे, तू यहीं है कहीं ना कहीं. हो रही दिल के दर पे मेरे तू यहीं है कहीं ना कहीं आटे हो रही तो दिल के दर पे मेरे तू यहीं है कहीं कभी मेरे ख्वाब सा कभी उठे जवाब सा के चंदा में भी दाग सा मेरे जैसा तू के दरिया का एक सिरा के अरमानों का सिलसिला के सहरा में भी आब सा मेरे जैसा तू मेरे जैसा तू हो रही तेरी दिल के दर पे मेरे तू यहीं है कहीं कहीं
Sir, you are inspiration for us. We miss you a lot.
Sir, we miss you. All the best.